can you give a few examples where selective coordination is very different from normal coordination? What is normal coordination, and why is selective coordination different? Like, what is, if you were to summarize it in a few key words that people can explain to other people, what selective coordination is and how it's different, what would be those key words?
Okay. By the way, great question. With normal coordination with breakers, you are trying to make sure that they don't overlap with their time current characteristic curve more than you can design for relative to their breaker type. If you look at selective coordination hunts to have no overlap at all between the two. And you'll actually see space of graph grid lines between the two curves as they move their way up in time current domain. So that would be the difference between selective coordination and regular coordination.
Hello everyone, Abdur Rehman here from AllumiaX Engineering. To learn more and to continue sharpening your technical skills, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, GeneralPAC by AllumiaX, or visit our website at allumiax.com/learn.